I want to thank you very much for coming. It was very nice.
I think we're right there on the other side, right there, I think. Go grab a light here. Yeah, there we are. Light bulb may be out down here. Let's see if we can get any numbers on this thing. I believe it's an ARE. Let's see, where is it? AR UF 4860 16AB. So and they have no display on the thermostat, so I haven't done anything yet. But my pan's full of water. Let's see. No, like that though. Look how that connector's just sitting down in that water. All the low voltage. What's in there? The red's in there. For the safety switch. And then we got, I think, the green. Let's see if I can get some light. Yeah, green looked like, yeah, see that green was underwater too. So both the green and the red were underwater. Get those guys. See if I can pull a little bit more excess wire back. Get it to go around the pan. Yeah, see? Go around the pan instead of inside the pan. Alright, so we don't have any low voltage wires just sitting in the water now. Which, that may have been our problem and that may have not been our problem. Because our float switch here. So let's and what does it break? Does the switch break the whole thing? Yeah, see that switch? That switch breaks the red. So that's gonna cut the thermostat off, the display on the thermostat off. That was what we had, was display was off. And look here, we're up in the attic. Get it to focus here. So we're up in the attic here, and this, man, it's 125 degrees or so. This pipe isn't insulated here. It's extremely cold water is going to run off through this pipe out of the unit, and it's going to drip. I want to see if we can see what we're talking about. See that? The black spot has been the slow, steady drip because it needs to be insulated. So we'll let the customer know this needs to be insulated as well, and we'll blow it out. Let's see if I can get some light. Look at that. That's clogged right there. So I'm gonna cut it. Oh, it may not even be glued right here. It doesn't look like there's any glue right there. So let's see if this thing will come off here. That thing is glued there and there, even though it doesn't look like it. So what we'll do is we'll take it loose here, and we'll unscrew it and make sure we're clear all the way through our pipe here, and then we'll flush it. We'll clog it up here and we'll flush it from here, or maybe we'll just put this back in and we'll flush it from here through and make sure we got one line. And once we get this blown out, our primary, then we'll blow out our secondary. And I imagine our secondary is clogged too. So what is this? Piece of rubber. Yeah, that would have clogged the line up for sure. Why was that in there? Who knows? But something's got it clogged now, so we'll blow this one out just from here. We won't have to cut it because there's no vent or T. So let's do that. Let's blow both these lines out and get our shop vac up here and get this water out of this pan. Alright. First thing we need to do is get some power, run our shop vac. So let's get this panel off. Let's get our pigtails on. Let's run our shop vac and get this water out and get these lines clear. Okay. some pressure on here. We got our little squeezer, little taper here. Pretty nice little tool, just screws into your hose, and then you got your taper there. It's kind of a hand air valve. So, see if we can even get it in here to get to it. Okay, let's put it all back together. Alright, so we got the line back together. A lot better than it was before. Got both lines blew out. Water out of the pan. Let's put the panel back on here and we're out of here, guys. Let's get out of this hot thing. Hot box.